Good morning, welcome back to Built by Bo. Today we're going to pull the motor in Smokey and get ready to do the turbo conversion. So stay with me and we'll take you through the process. Obviously this process is going to be similar to what we just did to the Turbo Mustang, so I won't bore you too much. We'll do a lot of time lapse and I'll probably skip a bunch of stuff just because we just saw it on the other car. But this will be an exciting build, so I'll see you soon. So basically, this is a stock 2.3. Obviously this is the one that had the oiling problem I had before, which this motor's repaired, but it burns oil, and that's how it got the name Smokey. So the motor is still a good runner. We need to borrow the crankshaft if it's good for the turbo motor because that one was wrecked from the Turbo Mustang. We're going to pull the motor out, we're going to pull the head off, send it out, or I'm going to do it myself. We're going to pull the crank, have that inspected, hopefully use that for the other motor. We'll build that in the other motor. And then I have a new turbo manifold from Ganari. I have another turbo coming because I stole this turbo for the Turbo Mustang. And I have to get a clutch, I have to get an ECM. I have the whole intercooler kit from Ganari that I've already got. So there's a whole bunch of goodies that I have already in the back of this car ready to go. And we'll explore those at a later date. But for now, we'll concentrate on getting this motor out. And we're going to have to move this car into the race trailer. And we're going to bring the 69 in there. We're going to bring the 69 into the garage so we can start doing the cal-trac bars and some other stuff on that car. And we'll work on the body on this car inside the race trailer when we have a chance. And I'll get the motor built on the stand and get it all ready. And then once stuff's all ready, we'll do the old swapperoo. And we'll start putting the motor back in and start getting this car back assembled. So that'll be the next few views. Anyway, let's get at her. Okay, welcome back. Well, we've made some good progress this morning. We're just about ready to pull the motor. I have to lift the car up, put it on stands, and I have to pull the drive shaft, the transmission, shifter tower, etc. We're going to leave the bell housing on it for the pull. I still have to do the fuel lines from underneath. I can't reach them from up top, but coolant lines are all disconnected, wiring's disconnected, exhaust is off, intake's off. Up top, we are completely ready to pull this thing out. So we're going to get this thing up in the air. We're going to get the bottom stuff done, and then I'll pull out the picker and we'll yank this baby out. See you then. Okay, update. Smokey's motor's on the ground. We got a bunch of tools to clean up. Got to get this thing on a stand. Engine bay here. Nice. Pretty good. A little bit of rust over in this section over in here. I'll fix that up. I have to move this and put a line lock in that area anyway, so I'll doctor that stuff up. But otherwise, this engine bay is pretty clean. So now I'm just gonna get this thing down on the ground, and then tomorrow I'm gonna pull out the 69 and I'm gonna put this in the trailer and we're gonna do the swap. So I'm gonna get it cleaned up and I will see you next time or tomorrow. Talk to you then.